Class, good morning. Sorry, good evening. Today's one I am explaining you today's work. Now you have matrix A as minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, minus 1, minus 2, and you are going to find its adjoint. Now here A11 is minus 1. This is the element of first row and first column. So the cofactor corresponding to this is the determinant of the matrix obtained by deleting that row or column where minus 1 is lying. So deleting that row and column, you left with determinant 1, 4, minus 2. Its determinant is 2. So your capital A11 is 2. In the same way, class, you have this row A12. Small a12 is the element 2, which is element of first row and second column. So the determinant and the matrix obtained by deleting that row or column where that element lies is 2, 4, 2, minus 2. Well, that's 12. And since this sum is odd, the negative sign will come. So minus of minus 12 is 12. Similarly, A13 is 3. So capital A13 cofactor of A13 is found by deleting that row or column where that 3 lies and the determinant of the matrix hence obtained. So that's minus 4. What's A21? It's 2. Now deleting that row or column, the matrix comes and determinant of that matrix, that is minus 1. But since sum is odd, minus of minus 1 becomes 1. A22 is 1. So deleting that row or column where that element lies, so that is minus 4. A23 is 4. So deleting that row or column where that element lies, it's plus 3. Now A31 is 2. Deleting that row or column where the matrix lies, it's 2, 4, 3, 1, that's 5. A32 is deleting that row or column where minus 1 lies, so it's 10. And A33 is minus 2. Deleting that row or column where that element lies, you get element as minus 5. So class, adjoint is A11, A21, A31. This is 2, 1, 5. A12, A22, A32. This is 12 minus 4, 10. And this is A23, A33, A43. So this is your adjoint of A. Well, this was the first question. So adjoint of A is the transpose of the cofactors A11, A21, A31, A12, A22, A32, A13, A23, A33. So this is your adjoint. Now class, you know that for any matrix A into adjoint A equals to adjoint of A into A equals to determinant of A into I always, where I should be of same order of A. So when you divide by determinant of A inverse is adjoint of A upon determinant of A, and so A is invertible. So we can say A inverse exists if determinant of A is not equals to 0. Like inverse of 4 is 1 by 4, inverse of 5 is 1 by 5. So इसी तरह से inverse of A is A inverse. Now, if determinant of A is equals to 0, A inverse will not exist, or we can say A is singular. So A into A inverse is identity if determinant of A is not equals to 0. So always remember this result, A inverse is adjoint of A upon determinant of A if determinant of A is not equals to 0. Now find A inverse if matrix A is 2, 4, 3, minus 7. You will calculate determinant of A, minus 14, minus 12 is minus 26, not equals to 0. A inverse will exist. Now cofactors of A11 is capital A11 and it's found by the taking the determinant of the matrix obtained by deleting that row or column where 2 lies. So A11 is minus 7. A12 is minus 3. Since its sum is odd, it's minus 3. A21 is minus 4. A22 is 2. So adjoint A is minus 7, minus 4, minus 3, 2. So A inverse is adjoint A upon determinant of A. This is minus 1 by 26. Minus 7, minus 4, minus 3 and 2. See, minus 1 by 26. You can take inside also, but it's very easy if you keep outside and then calculate it. Now, find A inverse if A's determinant is this. Now you found determinant of A, it's 12, which is not equals to 0, so A inverse will exist. Now what is adjoint A? Adjoint A is A11. This is minus 1 plus 6, 7. It's 7. What's A12? So it's cofactor. Minus 2, minus 9, minus 11. What's A13? Minus 1. What's A21? Minus 4. What's A22? It's minus 8. What's A23? This is 4. What's A31? 9. What's A32? 9. And what's A33? It's minus 3. So A inverse is 1 by 12 of this adjoint. Now class, you have to solve the following system of equations using matrices. 2x plus 3y is 13, 3x plus y equals to 9. Now this you can take it in a matrix form, 2x plus 3y, 3x plus y equals to 13, 9. Now this you can change in a matrix form, 2, 3, 3, 1, xy is 13, 9. Now take this matrix A, this matrix X, this matrix B. So you have Ax equals to B. Now, since determinant of A is minus 7, which is not equals to 0, so A inverse will exist. Now, you multiply it by A inverse. As matrix multiplication is commutative, A into inverse into A is identity. So, X is A inverse B. So, A inverse is minus 1 by 7, 1 minus 3, 2. And what is matrix B? 13, 9. Now, when you multiply it, this is 2 cross 2 matrix, this is 2 cross 1, result is 2 cross 1 matrix. 13 minus 27 minus 14. Minus 39 and 18 minus 21. Divide by minus 7, x is 2, y is 3. So, your solution is x is 2 and y is 3. In the same way class, take 3 cross 3 matrix and you have to solve using matrices. You have x plus y plus z equals to 1, 2x minus 3y plus 4z is minus 5, 3x minus y minus z equals to 3. Now let matrix A be 1, 1, 1, 2 minus 3, 4, 3 minus 1, x is x, y, z, b is 1 minus 5, 3. Now determinant of A, found the determinant of this, it's 28 not equals to 0, A inverse will exist. Now A inverse is adjoint A upon determinant of A. Adjoint A is again the cofactors. Now this is A inverse into B. I solved it, I got this as 1, 1, minus 1. So x is 1, y is 1, z is minus 1. So class, tomorrow I will do some more extra questions based on this matrices and determinants. Otherwise in determinants we have to do till here only. So any doubts you can ask me today only, so that tomorrow I can revise the concepts only. And tomorrow I can take some more doubts and more problems of yours. So just see to it, and I will send you the video now and the work also done. Thank you.